This video is going to be very short because I want to show you the upgrade that MailerLite has done on their platform. Like, I opened it this morning and I saw the upgrade. I was like, wow, I need to show this out, right? So I'm going to show you the upgrade. For those of you that don't know what is MailerLite, MailerLite is an email marketing platform, just like Mailchimp, just like Systeme.io, you know, all those platforms. So MailerLite is one of them. Okay, okay. For the sake of those that don't know, I'm going to walk you through how to get an account on MailerLite. And this is not a sponsored video. This is not a paid promotion video. It's just me sharing what I think will help you move your business from point A to point B as long as you're selling online. All right. So with that being said, let's dive into the video. So first you go to MailerLite. Just type MailerLite. It will come up. Right. Then you click on the link MailerLite.com. Right. I'm going to be leaving a link on the description of this video, or you can just go to Google and type MailerLite and get it. Like I said, it's not a paid video. I'm not an affiliate of MailerLite, at least not yet. Okay, so I'm just sharing what I think will help you. So here with MailerLite, you got this you can do. You can create email marketing automations. You can create landing pages. You can create sign-up forms. Websites for your digital businesses, right? So this is how the platform looks like. Like I said, you can do your newsletter subscriptions here, newsletter, So one of the reasons why I like or I prefer MailerLite, because that's what I use personally more than Systeme.io and the rest of them, is because MailerLite it's easier to navigate. The UI is very easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech pro or to be somebody that's even techie to even know how to use it. Okay, so let me just put you through how to sign up. So first of all, you come here, you sign up. All right, click on sign up and you sign up with your email account. So you just sign up with your email, you put in the details of your company, anything you're answering, you put your own name, then you add your email and your password. Okay, so let me just get it. Let me just get this done. Use a strong password. Okay, I'm just creating this. I already have an account. I'm just creating this particular account for this video. I'm not planning on using this account, so that is why I'm showing all the details out there. I don't plan on using this account for anything, so I'm just showing you. So once it's done, you get your email verified. Then you plug in your two-factor authentication, either with your Google Authenticator or anything you're using. Then it will bring you up to, let me verify the email first. So you can see they have sent me an email, and let me verify the email. So once you sign up, they give you 30 days free premium trial to try your premium services, right? After 30 days, then you can now upgrade, which is very, very fantastic and very, very good. Now, after setting up you go here and set up some of your profiles, just walk through the platform. It's very easy. Walk through the platform. Then I'm going to go into my other account and show you the upgrade that they did. So you can just fill out all these forms, After you fill out all this, click. They will get you verified after some days. After they get you verified, right, this is how your dashboard will now look, right? This is how your dashboard will now look after you are verified. After you first get verified, after some days, they look at your, you put in your details, KYC and everything, then they get you verified, right? So now this is the upgrade I was talking about. They have added products, meaning you can now sell product directly on Mailer. You can now sell product directly on Mailer. So you don't need to put in your product in another platform, put in this one and just use it to gather leads. So the stress of working around all those platforms and subscribing all those platforms, which is very, very expensive, you can now do everything just from MailerLite, right? So here you can set up your campaigns, right? You can set up your email campaigns. Then you can set up your forms, pop-up forms. Then you can set up your landing pages or your website. You can use it to build a website for your business, or if you sell digital products, you can use it to build a website for a digital product. Like this free guide, I'm going to leave the link on the comments so you can get the free guide, right? Just build this free guide to help you get started with Canva, right? So I'm going to put the link of this free guide. It's free, right? It's free. You can just click it and get it, right? So you can use it to build. Let me click create sites. If you click on create site, it's going to show you either you want to build a landing page or a website, right? So you can go through the platform. It's very easy to navigate. No big deal, no techie stuff. So if you want to set up your workflow, your automation, here you click on start creating your automation. They will show you where to click and all that to just set it up, and it's just very simple. Now look at the sweetest part of the whole thing, which as you can see is still new. They just added it. I said I opened this morning and I saw it, so they just added it. Now you can sell directly on their platform. So you can just upload your digital products here, set your subscription, donations and appointments. If you are a professional, you do one-on-one booking, you can come here and put in your one-on-one bookings and set your rates, right? So digital products, you click here and you upload your products. You upload your product. Let me try to upload something here. Let me say upload this one. So you upload your products, put in the name, $300 Canva blueprint. I'm not going to publish this, but I'm just showing you what is here. So here you select your currency, right? So I'm going to leave it in USD. You can change it anytime. If you want to add a discount, you click on discount and add how much discount you want to add. So let's say 10% discount, right? So the main price, let me just add something here, $5,000. Like I said, this book is free. So this is just for the sake of this video, right? This book is free. The link will be on the comment. It's free. It's not $5,000. It's free. Okay, so 10%. So the standard amount, you can see the discounted price has automatically showed you, so that what the person will be paying is $4,500. So if we put discount of let's say 70%, so the person will be paying $1,500. But again, this product is free. So here you can either upload the PDF directly here, or you send them to an external platform. Probably your PDF is on your Google Drive. You can put in your Google Drive link here, and once they buy, it will direct them to your Google Drive. All right. So that is that. Or you attach the product directly here. You can just upload the product here directly. Click on upload, and you look for it in your computer. Okay, let's say this. Like I said, it's for educational purposes, and this book is free, totally 100% free. So as you can see, you can get the files from your device, your Google Drive. If you use Deno, use Icon Finder, all those places you can get your file and upload it, right? So once you upload the PDF, you just click here. As you can see, the PDF is now here, right? Select a group or create a group. This group, the importance of creating this group here, or having a group here, it's everybody that gets this product, their email will be on that group, so you can easily to send them email list, keep selling to them via email. You get my point, right? So that is the most important part of this whole upgrade, right? So you don't need to start moving from one platform to the other just to do it. So everything is now on MailerLite, and that is so wonderful, right? So you click on continue. So once you click on the continue, to bring you up to the checkout page. So here you can either use the default checkout page, which is this showing you here, or you can use the Stripe checkout page, right? So here you put in your logo, put in the logo, maybe the picture of the product, put in the summary, pay now, and how you want to do it, get it now. Then you can add all this. You can add all this if you want to. Then you click on continue. Then after continue, it will now publish the product. Let me just click on continue. As you can see, the product has been published. Okay, so this is the fantastic update I wanted to show you. So alright guys, catch you in my next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, try and subscribe. Here I share tips and basic tools that help you run your business online. Alright, see you in my next video. Peace out.